2 years ago, I set out to create a portable, lightweight aerial video mast for my Sony camcorder. I was looking for a way to film my daughter playing soccer as she was converting positions, transitioning from midfielder to wing defender at the time. Aerial game footage would allow her and her teammates to watch games and see the field and defensive plays from a different perspective. Searching the market for different products, many of the aerial video systems I found were large, required significant setup, and more costly than I could afford. I wanted to challenge myself and build a cost-effective, lightweight, portable video mast. For this project, I searched on Amazon for a monopod with tripod system that was not only affordable, but one that I could modify inexpensively and easily. Once I decided on a base tripod with monopod system, I looked for a way to securely mount a second stage to it. I used various adapters to couple 1/4 inch to 3/8 threaded male and female screws. Also at this point, I decided to create a friction fit 3D printed part to insert over the base of the monopod to increase its stability. While there may have been other options to increase stability, the key to this build was creativity and to use all the tools available to me. The second stage, or tripod with monopod system, was a unique product I found on Amazon. It not only came with a tripod base, but also a monopod and tripod head. I decided not to use the tripod head it came with, but instead use an old Manfrotto 3-way pan and tilt head I already had. The Manfrotto head provided added strength, stability, and a smooth panning action. Again, I made good use of threaded adapters to achieve proper screw coupling. I added another adjustable extension on the tripod below the Manfrotto head where I mounted a rigged tablet and clamp mount. This allowed the tablet to be stationary while I panned the camera on the mast. The video system I used was a Sony HDR CX440 Wi-Fi camcorder, which allowed me to connect wirelessly to a 7-inch Android tablet. In this case, a Kindle Fire running Sony's Play Memories app. You might notice I added tablet gaming buttons to more securely press the app's digital zoom controls. Before a game, once the top and bottom stages of my system are connected, setup and extension of the unit is relatively fast and simple. You can see me here connecting the top and bottom monopod stages, ensuring connections are secure, and eventually wirelessly connecting the video camera to the tablet. The camera is set up within its software to send a Wi-Fi signal to the tablet, and once the tablet receives the camera's Wi-Fi stream, I extend the video mast to full height, approximately 13 feet. Here you can see how I use gaming buttons for zoom control and how I pan the camera. My assistant and I wanted to show how the mast looks and performs in the real world. In this case, the mast was extended and subjected to 10 to 12 mile per hour wind gusts during filming. Overall, I've used this video mast setup for over a year now, and so far, it has held up quite well. For me, curiosity, need, and creativity was the driving force behind this fun project. If you have any ideas to lend or questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.